Hi guys, my name is Mikołaj and this is another video about fixing your phone. Do you have any problems with USB-C connector on your phone or any other device? Does it come out easily just after a few months of owning the device, especially in a car when you try to charge it? Well, I have an easy fix that all you need is a simple tool that all of you have at home. Let's try to fix my wife's phone.
So first thing we have to do is to remove the case. Once we have the phone out of the case, we want to turn it off. What we will need next is just a needle or a pin, something that it's or any other tool that is very thin and kind of rigid. And basically, as we are using our phone and put it in a packet on a daily basis, it collects dirt, and the dirt comes, as you look right here, around the wall of the USB port, collects inside, now that this is clean, we should be able to connect, and it's pretty strong connection.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up on this video if it was useful. If it not, still give me a thumbs up, please. And when you subscribe, don't forget to ring that ring so you can see my future uploads. Thank you.